Marami ang nangungutang, tapos yung inutangan nila, hindi na nila binabayaran. How can you help them through life coaching?
Isa lang tanong ko, gusto mo ba yan? And of course, ang sagot hindi. Pero maybe lumaki ka, nakita mo, nag-survive ang magulang mo sa pangungutang, ikaw rin, palautang ka rin. And yun yung kailangan nating isolve, yun yung kailangan nating tulungan, yun yung kailangan nating pag-igihan na tignan natin saan ito nanggagaling. Anong belief system? That's why as an adult, ang hirap talagang magbago. But yung work natin is to find out ano yung wired program na hindi na nag-work at babaguhin natin yun o paano natin nakuha.
Through life coaching.
But the process here is, number one, verbal conditioning. However, that's not enough because it's only words. You need to start taking a look at on experience. Get yourself into an experience of kahit hirap na hirap ka, hanapan mo ng paraan. Pakonti-konti. So that yung hindi okay mangutang at nabayaran mo yung utang mo, uy, pwede. You're collecting new evidence through your experiences. However, that's not enough because